Has the Easter Bunny come?
It's Bunny!
The Easter Bunny's come. Come have a look.
It's evening!
Jacob, the Easter Bunny came. He's been.
Yay!
Wow. What did
Bunnies!
he bring you?
Chocolate!
Chocolate?
There's chocolate everywhere.
Look at your basket.
Oh my goodness.
What's inside your Easter basket?
Yeah, the chocolate!
Can you just watch him for a second?
It's a bunny!
Let's have a look what's inside.
It's
The
bunny!
Easter Bunny came.
Let's have a look what's inside.
It's tight!
What's in there?
Yeah.
There's a bunny and chocolate eggs.
It's bunny coming!
Wow.
Coming!
He came already. He brought you a basket.
They're coming!
And I think he hid some eggs around the house. We'll have to go and find them.
Find him.
Yeah, say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter. Look on the